guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just walked in on a Monday morning and I've got like 3 trucks to film. Super exciting day. Today, the first truck of the day is a 2026 Ford F-250 Platinum. The truck is immaculate clean, looks like brand new. It's getting a really nice lift kit. It's getting the 5-inch BDS Fox 2.5 HTO Shock lift kit. It's going to be really nice. We're getting the Fox 2.0 steering stabilizers in the front, and then we're going to be doing a set of the 24x11 American Force Decoy in the black finish. I believe it's gloss black. We're doing also the 315/50/24 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. This is like a 36 and a half inch tall tire, something like that. It pretty much looks to me like a 37/12/50 once you measure it out. That's kind of how it measures out, but it's a 315/50. It's a metric tire. The 24-inch Toyos and Nittos are getting really hard for us to find, so it's few and far in between before we have these builds come through where we can put these 24-inch Toyos on. So we're trying. The alternative tires we have are like Fury and Amp and things like that, and the Toyo and Nittos just ride a little bit better. That's the main thing. So I don't know if there's anything else that we're doing on this truck. I think that's everything I said that we're doing. About to get out right now and show you what the truck looks like. I appreciate everybody watching. I think I did fail to mention that this truck is Marsh gray, which is like the most popular color out right now on Super Duties. It does have like a little lift or a leveling kit on it right now. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's definitely up a little bit, and it has some 37/12/50/20 Toyos on it. The truck already looks really good. It's about to look a lot better. He drove from Florida. I saw a 386 number. This wasn't my sale, this was Leo's sale, but I did see the 386 number, so I'm assuming this was Florida. The truck looks awesome already. The American Force Decoy in that black finish is going to set this truck right off. There's not really a whole bunch of chrome on it, and it does have painted bumpers already, so yeah, super excited about this. A small amount of chrome in the front is not too bad, even if you're doing black wheels. I have a little bit of chrome in the front of my Tahoe with black wheels, and I thought that it would clash, and it doesn't seem to, so I think this is going to look really good. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to pull it in right now and get it started. just like that, our 2026 Ford F-250 Platinum Marsh Gray is ready to go. We got that BDS 5-inch kit. This is the 4-link kit. I know it looks a little bit different than what we normally do. They have an optional radius arm or 4-link kit, so that's what we chose to do on this one. They both work really good. The 4-link has a little bit different geometry in the front. There's a whole other video I could film on that, but they're both good kits and they both ride good. So we did the Fox 2.5 HTO shock on it, which is not a reservoir shock. It's a standard body shock. It's just bigger around. And then we did the Fox 2.0 steering stabilizers on the front. This is going to be a really, really good riding truck for the customer. The tires and wheels we did are the 24x11 American Force Decoys in the gloss black finish, and then the 315/50/24 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. Like I said earlier, this is like almost a 37, basically a 37 1250 tire. The tire's going to ride really, really smooth and be really quiet, but it's going to get some good mileage also, and it looks really aggressive too. So really like the way the truck turned out. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. It's our beautiful 2026 Ford F-250 Platinum. It's in that Marsh gray color everybody loves so much. This truck really does look awesome. You can go either way with these trucks. You can either do like a stock wheel with a wheel spacer and some 37-inch mud grapplers or 37-inch Toyo MTs or something like that, and get almost like a Bubba setup, an OEM Plus style setup on the stock wheels. Looks really good. Or you can put a little bit wider, like a forged wheel on this with a a little bit more stance, and the trucks look great too. I'll start out with the tires and wheels on this one. I've already said it like 3 times, but we have a 315/50/24. It says on the side 36/1250. It really sets about the same as a 37, if I'm being honest, if you put them side by side. So I'd consider this a good alternative to a 37 13/50/24 if you don't want to go quite as wide. It's a 1250, a little bit narrower tire. This is an American Force Decoy wheel. I don't know if this is a newer design or an older design. It definitely looks like one of their original designs. I haven't seen this one. It looks like an Independence, but this one's called the Decoy. I guess the spokes are a little bit different shape. Looks really, really nice though. Looks really good with this tire. Going to the lift kit, it is the 5-inch BDS kit. This is the coil spring Fox 2.5 shock. It's a little bit thicker than their 2.0, which the 2.0 is what they use down there on the stabilizer. So there's your difference if you can tell. It's a little bit thicker, more robust. There's our 4-link system in the front. There's our ride height sensor for the onboard scales and the headlight. This is what that 4-link looks like from the side. This is the bracket that holds it to the frame of the truck. This deletes the radius arm that you have currently on the truck. Up here in the front, we've got our dual steering stabilizer, Fox 2.0s. Looks really, really nice in the front. It really tightens the steering up a lot. In the rear, we have the factory overload spring still in place. We have our ride height or onboard scale sensor right here still in place. We did put a lift block back there in the back with your Fox 2.5s as well. It's a really good build. It really is a nice one. The color is good, the truck's good, everything he bought's good. He didn't cheap out on anything. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer once again. It's still crazy to me after all these years that you guys are still driving from out of state and let me do this. It keeps me from having to have a real job. This is hard work, but I don't have it as bad as some people do, let's be honest. So once again, wanted to say I appreciate it for that. If you are interested in what this job would cost, I'm going to attach a quote right after this clip so you can see exactly what this would price out at. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake, and we're at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. And I really appreciate everybody watching.